Waking up on time can set the tone for your whole day, but the wrong alarm can make mornings feel harder than they need to be. A good alarm clock can make getting out of bed feel a lot less frustrating. In this video, I'm covering the best alarm clocks. I'll match my picks to a few different categories, so you can find an option that fits what you need. I recommend watching the full video so you can compare each pick before deciding which one makes the most sense for you. Links to all the products are available in the description. If you find the video helpful, you can leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comment section. Let's kick things off with the first pick. Philips Smart Sleep Wake Up Light, Best Sunrise Alarm Clock. A harsh alarm can be a rough way to start the morning, so a gradual light can feel much easier on your routine. This option uses a 30-minute sunrise effect that moves from deep red and orange into yellow and white, helping the room brighten before the alarm sound begins. Pricing is in the upper mid-range for this type of clock, so it asks for more than a basic bedside alarm. You get 20 brightness levels, plus 5 natural wake-up sounds and an FM radio. The light can double as a bedside reading lamp, and there's a sunset mode that slowly dims in the evening. I think the tap-to-snooze control and automatic dimming display are useful touches, especially if you prefer fewer bright distractions at night. Customer feedback is strongest around the gentle wake-up experience and natural-looking light. Some buyers say setup can be confusing, and the button layout may take time to learn. Reliability gets more mixed feedback, with reports of units failing after extended use. Heavy sleepers may find the light alone too gentle, too. For anyone who wants a calmer morning routine and likes waking with light rather than a sudden beep, this is one of the more appealing sunrise-style picks. Sonic Alert Sonic Bomb, Best Alarm Clock for Heavy Sleepers. Sleeping through a normal alarm can turn a busy morning into a scramble, so this pick takes a much stronger approach. The alarm reaches up to 113 decibels, and it pairs that sound with a bed shaker and red flashing lights. Price-wise, it falls in the mid-range, which feels reasonable for a model built for people who need more than a standard beep. You can adjust the tone, volume, alarm length, and snooze time, giving you much more control over how wake-up calls work. There are 3 alert modes: vibration only, sound only, or both together. The dual alarm setup can help couples or students managing different schedules, and the display has 5 dimming levels. I think the bed shaker is the standout feature here, since it gives heavy sleepers another way to wake up without relying on sound alone. Customer feedback often praises the loud alarm and dependable performance over time. A few buyers say setup takes some effort at first, and the plastic body can feel basic for the price. The alarm may be far too loud for shared rooms too. If regular alarms barely get your attention, this one brings a much harder to ignore wake-up system. Sangean RCR20, Best Radio Alarm Clock. If you enjoy waking up to a favorite station instead of a sharp buzzer, this pick gives you plenty of control over the experience. It combines AM and FM tuning with strong stereo sound, a large display, and 2 alarm timers. The price lands in the premium range, so it makes the most sense if radio quality matters just as much as the clock itself. Sound is a big part of the appeal here. A bass reflex tube, bass and treble controls, and adjustable loudness help music sound fuller than you might expect from a bedside unit. You can save presets, use Bluetooth for your phone, or connect through the auxiliary input. There's a USB charging port, a headphone jack, and a remote too. For mornings, you can choose radio or buzzer, set 2 alarms, adjust the display brightness, and use the snooze or sleep timer. I'd point out the backup system as another useful touch, since it keeps the clock in station memory during an outage. Some buyers report setup frustration, display problems, or uneven AM reception. Still, for listeners who want strong radio performance, flexible audio controls, and more bedside features, this is a feature-rich choice. Hatch Restore 3, Best Smart Alarm Clock. Some alarm clocks focus on waking you up, but this one puts just as much attention on what happens before bed. It pairs gradual light with more than 80 sleep sounds, guided routines, and simple bedside controls that can keep your phone out of reach at night. The price is firmly premium, and the optional Hatch Plus subscription can add another ongoing cost. For bedtime, you can build a wind-down routine using dim light, brown noise, rain, forest sounds, or other choices from the app. In the morning, the light slowly gets brighter, then sound can join in for a gentler wake-up. Physical buttons handle volume, lighting, alarms, and routine changes, so you do not need your phone after setup. I think that makes the setup feel more practical for anyone trying to cut screen time before sleep. Customer feedback is very strong on sleep quality, relaxing sounds, and the smooth brightness changes. The main complaint is value, since many extra sounds, meditations, and routines sit behind the paid membership. Still, if you want one bedside device to manage both nighttime and morning routines, this pick gives you far more flexibility than a basic alarm. Hatch Baby, best alarm clock for kids and preschoolers. For younger kids, mornings can be easier when a simple visual cue tells them when it is time to get up. This model uses a green light for that signal, then backs it up with sleep sounds, a nightlight, and routines parents can control from a phone. The price is premium for a kid's alarm clock, so it makes sense if you want one device to handle bedtime and wake-up time. You can choose white noise, pink noise, rain, wind, ocean waves, and other sounds, then pair them with adjustable light colors and brightness. A large button on the unit handles basic controls, and the app lets you change sound, volume, light, and schedules from another room. What stands out to me is the routine builder, since parents can set bedtime or nap routines and let them run on a schedule. Parents often praise the time to rise feature, the light choices, and the easy controls. Some report connection or sound issues after a few months, and the gaps between volume levels may feel too wide. Premium stories, songs, and extra features need a paid subscription after the included 3-month period. For families working on steadier sleep habits, this can be a handy bedside helper. Braun BC22W, best analog alarm clock. A clean bedside clock does not need a screen full of menus to be useful, and this pick keeps things simple. The face is easy to read, the hands have luminous tips, and the alarm starts gently before getting louder if you stay in bed. Cost-wise, it lands in the mid-range, so you are paying more for the design and quiet movement than for a long list of extras. One feature I'd call out is the backlight. It comes on automatically in low light, and you can trigger it for 5 seconds when you want a quick time check at night. The 5-minute snooze is straightforward, and the battery setup means you are not tied to a wall outlet. It comes in white, black, or gray, so there is some choice for different bedside setups. Customer feedback is strongest around readability, the warm backlight, and low ticking noise. A few buyers report noticeable ticking, small rear adjustment dials, or reliability issues with the alarm and backlight. Some mention timekeeping drifting over longer use. For anyone who prefers a classic face, simple controls, and a softer alarm style, this is an appealing analog option. P-Keep Ultra Small Travel Alarm Clock, best travel alarm clock. Packing light gets easier when your alarm clock barely takes up any room, and this pick is small enough to slip into a pocket or travel bag. It runs on a single AA battery, stays quiet through the night, and uses a simple analog face that is easy to read. Price-wise, it is a budget option, which makes it a low-cost backup for trips. The quiet sweep movement is a big plus for light sleepers, since there is no steady ticking beside the bed. Luminous hands help with quick time checks, and a button lights the full dial when the room is dark. The alarm starts softly, then grows louder and faster over time. I think the large top switch is a smart touch, since you can shut it off without searching for a tiny button. You get a 5-minute snooze, simple rear setting wheels, and 3 color choices: aquamarine, black, and white. Customer feedback is strongest around portability, quiet operation, and easy controls. The trade-off is mixed reliability, with some reports of poor timekeeping or units stopping after short use. There is no low battery warning either. For travel, its tiny size and simple setup make it an easy clock to pack. Preschool Digital Projection Alarm Clock, best projection alarm clock. Checking the time at night is much easier when you do not have to reach for your phone or sit up in bed. This pick projects the time onto a wall or ceiling with a rotatable head and focus ring to help keep the image clear. The budget price keeps it accessible, especially for anyone who wants projection without paying for a feature-heavy bedside clock. The main display uses large 7-inch digits, and both the screen and projection have 5 brightness levels. You can set 2 alarms, Choose from 5 volume levels and use a 9-minute snooze from the large center button. I'd call the flip control a useful touch, since it lets you turn the projected numbers right side up from your sleeping position. A USB port can charge a phone overnight, and backup batteries preserve the time and alarm settings during an outage. Customer feedback often praises the clear display, simple setup, and convenient ceiling view. Some users find the projection too bright, and a few report fuzzy focus or projection failures after months of use. For anyone who wants to check the time without moving much at night, this brings a useful projection feature at a low price. That finishes up my look at the best alarm clocks. If you found this video helpful, check out some of the other videos on the channel for more buying guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.